Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Are you there, guys? Respond in the chat box. Guys, everyone, please focus. Today, till yesterday, we completed all statement objects, guys. Can I give one conclusion on statement objects? First of all, let me give conclusion on JDBC statement objects. Conclusion on JDBC statement objects. Yeah. If there is a need of executing SQL query only for one time, that too without input values, that too without input values, that too without input values, then go for simple statement object. If there is a need of executing SQL query, executing SQL query for multiple times with or without input values, with or without input values, or if there is a need of executing SQL query only for one time with input values, or if there is a need of working with date comma large objects. Okay, date comma large objects, then use prepared statement object. Then simply think about using prepared statement object. This is second point. Third point. Okay, na? Third point. Fine, guys. If there is a need of calling PL/SQL procedures or functions, then use callable statement object. That's it, guys. This is the conclusion on all three statement objects, guys. Now I would like to take different types of result set objects. So far we spend time on different types of statement objects. Whenever we execute select query, we get result set object. Actually, we have two types of result set objects, guys. Okay, working with different types of JDBC result set objects. JDBC result set objects. Okay, guys. Number one, scrollable result set object. Number two, non-scrollable. Actually, by default, everything is non-scrollable. So far, we are working with a non-scrollable. Non-scrollable result set object. Number one, non-scrollable result set object. Number two, scrollable result set object. Yes. Whenever we execute select query, we get result set object. But there are two types of result set objects, guys. Number one, non-scrollable result set objects. This result set object allows us to access the records only in one direction. That is top to bottom. That is top to bottom. Once the result set object is created, we try to process the result set object, and it allows us to process the records only in one direction, that is top to bottom. Everyone getting my point there? Yes. This result set object allows us to access the records only in one direction. Only in one direction. That is top to bottom. Only in one direction, that is top to bottom. Are you understanding my point there? Allows us to access the records only in one direction, that is top to bottom. Come on, guys. So this result set is also called as unidirectional. What here? Unidirectional result set object. Because it is allowing only in one direction now, guys. That's why. Let us feel this is our result set object. And you know that every result set object contains two positions. One is BFR, other one is ALR. BFR indicates before first record. ALR indicates after last record. This is my RS. This is my result set object. Yes, guys. Some records are there. 101. 102. 103. 104. Fine, guys. It allows us to access the records only in one direction, that is top to bottom. Okay. Now listen. If there are 100 records, if you want to go to 100th record, you must go through remaining 99 records or not. If there are 100 records and if you want to go to 100 record, you must go through remaining 99 records or not. Say something, guys. You must go through remaining 99 records. What do you say, guys? Definitely you should go through remaining 99 records. Are you comfortable, guys? So that means it takes time or not there. So by default, By default, every result set object is non-scrollable result set object. Knowingly, no, unknowingly, whatever result set object we are using so far, that is non-scrollable result set object, guys. That is not scrollable. That is non-scrollable result set object. Number two, uh, scrollable result set object. Okay. The result set object that allows us to access the records bidirectionally, top to bottom, bottom to top, directly, randomly. You can access any record from any location. We can move the cursor in the result set object in any direction. So that is called scrollable result set object. We can access record bidirectionally, directly, randomly. Suppose you are in the first record, directly you can jump to 10th record, you can access 10th record. From 10th, you can jump to 100 record and we can access 100 record. From 100, we can jump to third record and we can access third record. Are you understanding my statement, guys, or not? Okay. This result set object allows allows us to access the records bidirectionally, bidirectionally, randomly, directly, bidirectionally, randomly, directly. Okay. This result set is also called as bidirectional means top to bottom, bottom to top. And along with we are having randomly and this one also. This result set is also called as bidirectional result set. Bidirectional result set object. Okay. Result set is also called as bidirectional result set object. Fine. In this result set, we can move the cursor in any angle. That means top to bottom, bottom to top, bottom to top. Come on, guys. Top to bottom, bottom to top, randomly, and etc. This result set gives good performance towards accessing the records. Towards accessing the records. Towards accessing the records. Here is my BFR. Here is my ALR. Okay, before first record, after last record. Here is my what? RS, result set object. 105. Yes, guys. Access the records top to bottom, bottom to top, directly also. Wherever you want, you can access the records directly. Fine. This is about a scrollable result set object, guys. Fine, boss. Tell me, in this RS, we can move the cursor. Array cursor means control. Okay. We can move the cursor. We can move the cursor only in top to bottom direction. Only in top to bottom direction. That's it, guys. Let's see this. The result set object that is created having result set mode and type. Result set mode and type is called scrollable RS. Otherwise is called non-scrollable RS. Yeah, keyboard problem. Non-scrollable. Yes, I have to mention result set mode, result set type, guys. Result set mode and result set type. Both I have to mention. Both I have to mention, no doubt in that. RS mode and RS type is called scrollable RS. Otherwise, it is called non-scrollable RS. Anyhow, I'll give idea, guys. Now just see, guys. To create non-scrollable RS. Very simple, regular one only. Statement st is equal to, first I'll give by using simple statement, then we will go through prepared statement object also. Statement st is equal to con dot create statement of con dot create statement. No type, no mode. Here, no type, no mode. Yes. Then what next? Result set rs is equal to st dot execute query of select star from student. This is to create non-scrollable RS, guys. Sir, what should I do to create scrollable RS? Yes, we have to mention type and mode as the parameters of create statement method. One is result set type, other one is result set mode. Okay, here you have to write type comma mode. Yes, don't think that we have to write type comma mode as it is. There are some possible values for type. There are some possible values for mode, guys. Okay, let me give possible values for mode and possible values for type. Possible values for type. Result set dot. Result set dot. Type underscore scroll underscore sensitive. Result set dot type underscore scroll underscore insensitive. Result set dot type underscore scroll underscore sensitive. So these are int constants, guys. Okay, actually these are to create scrollable. I'll change int constants of which class, of which interface, int constant. So that means internally they carry integer value, guys, into constant. You have to pass one of these two values in the place of type. We have to pass one of these two values in the place of type. Yes, guys. You have to pass one of these two values in the place of type. Okay, let me give the possible values for mode. The possible values for mode. What is this mode here? Possible values for mode. Yeah, tell me. Result set dot conquer underscore read underscore only. Yeah, I want to open result set in read only mode. I want to see result set in updatable mode. Are concurrently people can update the data of result set. Updatable. Concurrently people can what? Perform only read operations on the result set. That is read only. This is read only. This is updatable. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Here is my int constant. Here is also another int constant. Here is my one int constant. Yes, there. These are the possible values for mode, guys. In the place of mode, you have to pass these values. Okay, let's see. Java.sql. Result set docs. Java.sql.result set. I'll explain what is sense2, what is insense2. Don't worry. Sense2 means any modification in the database table reflects immediately to result set. That is sense2. Any modification done in database table will not reflect to the database result set object. That is insense2, as it sounds. Result set object is pointing to table boss. If I do any modification in table, if it is reflecting immediately to what? Result set, then it is what? Sense to. Not reflect, then it is insense to. But today you concentrate more on scroll behavior. This mode and this one we'll discuss later. Scroll. Scroll means we are able to access the records top to bottom, bottom to top. Right. There are internally integer values. That's what I want to say. This is result set now. Go to the fields. Okay. Look at type underscore scroll underscore insense to sense to. Internally they are what? Static int. If you click on it, okay, you can see int. Okay. Constant field values. Yes, there is a small table giving internal values was scroll underscore. It is not going to our place. Huh? Event, all constant values are coming at once, but I want to see our result set related one. Okay, fine. We will go to what? Java X, not Java X, Java.sql. Database metadata, result set. Yes, in the result set, so many constants are there. Check it out. What are the possible values, guys? These are the possible values. Read only 1007, updatable 1008, incense 2004, sense 2005. You need not to mug up. You need not to mug up. Fine, guys. Okay. 1004. I think reverse, 1005. Incense 2004. Next, read only 1007, updatable 1008. Okay. Okay, I'll explain sense to instance to read only updatable more exclusively. Okay, sense to means what? Modifications done in DB table will immediately to reflect immediately to RS. Will reflect immediately to RS. Modifications done in DB table will not reflect immediately to RS. Will not reflect immediately to RS. Okay, guys. Next, read only. Okay. Allows multiple threads. Allows multiple threads to manipulate the records to allows multiple threads to perform only read operation. Only, sir, generally we do only read operation on result set. No, yeah. Using result set, we can perform record insertion, record updation, record deletion also. We have not seen in that angle. That's it. Only read operations. Allows multiple threads performs only read operations concurrently or simultaneously. Simultaneously. Allows multiple threads to perform both both read comma write operation. Write means update operation simultaneously. Both read comma write operation simultaneously. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. Here is my read only. Here is my what? Updatable. One is read only, one is updatable. One is sense to, one is insense to. Everyone getting my point here or not? Come on. This is to create a scrollable RS. This is to create non-scrollable RS, guys. Fine, boss. Right. Now, I think you got it. I will concentrate more on sense to insense to later, read only updatable later. Today, you just to worry about scroll behavior. You just to worry about scroll behavior. Okay, let me give one small example. Example code to create scrollable result set. Scrollable result. Statement st is equal to con dot create statement of result set dot. Array constants. Constants are statics. Na public static final variables are called constant. Especially uh, all these are constants available in this one. Type underscore scroll underscore sensitive. Type underscore scroll underscore sensitive. Type underscore scroll underscore sensitive. Result set dot conquer underscore updatable. Updatable. Listen, right now you don't give concentration on sensitive and updatable. Give concentration on scroll terminology. Focus more on scroll terminology. Understanding my statement, guys? Right. result set rs is equal to st.execute query. Select star from student. Code to create scrollable rs. Statement st is equal to con dot create statement. Type underscore scroll underscore sends to conquer underscore updatable. Select star from this. Yes, this is a type, this is a mode. If not, you can pass equivalent integers. Not only this value, other value also you can pass. Not only updatable, read only also you can pass. So that means multiple possible values are there for type, one you have to pass. Multiple possible values are there for mode, one value you have to pass. Then you will get result set object as what? Scrollable result set object. Okay, guys. Next. Methods that are invocable on non-scrollable rs. Methods that are invocable on non-scrollable rs, non-scrollable result set object. We can call next method to move the cursor to next record. We can call get triple x method to access the values from the records of the result set. Get triple x methods. Understanding my statement? Get triple x methods. Okay, guys. Next, we have a get row method. This is a new method to know the cursor, position in the result set. Current cursor position in the result set. To know the current cursor position in the RS. RS means result set. To know the current cursor position in the RS. RS is nothing but result set object. Yes, get row is the method. Check it out. Methods are there. Methods are there. See this. Get row. Some methods are deprecated as usually. Get row. Here we are having get row. Get row. Get row returns the current row number. That means current record number. Okay. To know the current position in the RS. Current position in the RS. Cursor current position in the RS. Okay. Okay, guys. Only these three methods are invocable on what? Non-scrollable RS because very limited thing. Top to bottom, na? That's why. So methods invocable on scrollable RS. Yes, we can call next method. We can call previous method. Interestingly, this indicates we can move the records from bottom to top. We can call get triple x methods. We can call get row method. We can call get triple x method. We can call get row method. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay, get row as usually. Yes, we can move the cursor to first record. We can move the cursor to last record. We can move the cursor to BFR position before first. We can move the cursor to ALR position after last. We can check whether cursor is there in first record or not. Is first. We can check whether cursor is there in last record or not. Is last. We can check whether cursor is there in first record or not. We can check whether cursor is there in last record or not. Then we call is last method is there. And we have two more important methods, guys. Relative method to move the cursor within the result set with respect to current position. Relative method moves the cursor within the result set with respect to current position. Positive number indicates forward direction. Negative number indicates reverse direction. Relative of 3. What is that? Relative of 3. From current position, it will move to next 3 records. Suppose cursor is already there in the result set, third record. Relative of 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Relative of minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Negative. Relative of, okay guys, a close method you can call everywhere. I have to highlight off and I will give that. Okay, relative of, now cursor is in second record. Relative of 5, seventh record. Relative of minus 4, third record. I think you are understanding. It moves the record in cursor result set with respect to current position. Positive number indicates forward direction. Negative number indicates reverse direction. Okay. Then we have absolute method. Plus or minus n. It moves the cursor in the result set object with respect to BFR or ALR position. Positive number indicates forward direction with respect to BFR position. It won't bother where cursor is currently there. Absolute of 3, irrespective of where cursor is currently there, from the top third record. Absolute of minus 4, from the bottom fourth record. Absolute of 10, from the top 10th record. Absolute of minus 7, from the bottom 7th record. That's it. Are you getting my point, guys? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Right. Okay, as usually we can call close method and etc. Okay, here also close will be there, guys. Right. One important question. What is the difference between relative method and absolute method? What is the difference between relative method and absolute method? Okay, guys. Okay. Note. Both methods are invocable. Sir, absolute is there, na, sir. Geeta madam, absolute is doing absolute of 3, it goes to third record. Absolute of 4, it goes to fourth record. Think of once. You are not listening, you are thinking about your question. Just now I explained absolute method. Absolute of 3 from the top third record. Absolute of 10 from the top 10th record. That's what I have explained, right? That madam question is there any method we can, which directly takes to say third record? Absolute method is that one only, na? Both methods are invocable only on scrollable RS. Both methods are invocable only on scrollable RS. Yes, guys. Relative plus or minus n. Relative plus moves the cursor in RS with respect to current position of the cursor. Current position of the cursor. Positive number indicates forward direction and Negative number indicates reverse direction. Positive number indicates forward direction. Negative number indicates reverse direction. Absolute method moves the cursor in Russell set with respect to BFR or ALR position. BFR or ALR position. Positive number indicates forward direction with respect to BFR, and a negative number indicates reverse direction with respect to ALR. With respect to BFR, with respect to ALR. Guys, this is the difference, guys. Okay. So let us assume we have RS with 20 records. We have RS with 20 records. Come on. Let us assume we have RS with 20 records. We have RS with 20 records. Okay, guys. RS dot absolute of 3 moves the cursor to third record. Moves the cursor to third record. That's it, guys. From the top. RS dot absolute of 4 minus 4. Tell me, moves the cursor to which record? 16th record. I'll murder you. Minus 4. Total 20. Acha. Sorry, it's my mistake. I thought 10 records only. Okay. Yeah, moves the cursor to which position? Which position? Sixth record. Yes. Sixth record. From the bottom, fourth record. Okay, from the bottom, fourth record. Yes, guys. RS dot relative of 2. Now tell me. RS of relative of 2. Already we are in the fourth record or sixth record. We are already in the sixth record. Moves the cursor to eighth record. Moves the cursor to eighth record. Come on. From current position, 2 records in forward direction. Relative of minus 5. Move the cursor to third record. Third record. Okay. Let me create one problem statement. Relative of minus 4. Tell me. Already we are in third record. From third record, we have a backward fourth record not there. So what it will do? Throws exception. Throws exception. Come on, guys. So like this, we can move the cursor, guys. We can move the cursor. Everyone understood this point, guys? Okay. So now let us develop one application that deals with what? Scrollable result set object. But before that, anyhow, terminologies has come. One standard question is there in the interview. What is the difference between relative path? No. Relative path or absolute path while locating the files. While locating the files. while locating the files. Okay. Answer. If we are giving, if we are giving complete address, complete address path of the file, complete address path of the file, complete address path of the file, right from its root directory, right from its root directory, then it is called absolute path. Then it is called absolute path. Yes, yeah. Absolute path. Mm. This remains same in all condition, all conditions. Absolute path is like postal address here. It can be that is fixed for you. That is a fixed for you, and that remains same to locate you from any location. Your postal address is same from India, Chennai, from Mumbai, from US, from Singapore, from any location. Your postal address is fixed, right? Because complete details will be there, right? If you are giving the location of the file, location or path of the file with respect to current location, then it is called a relative path here. Relative path. And this will change based on the current location of the file. Current location based on the current work location. Based on current work location. Yeah, this will time change, boss. See, boss, Naresh IT from Amirpet. Within Amirpet, one thing. Naresh IT from SR Nagar, other direction. Naresh IT from what? Metro station of Amirpet, one more direction. So based on the current location, relative path will change or not, guys? Naresh IT postal address is same for many location. Yeah, it's something like absolute URL and relative URL. Yeah, some people who studied Serlet first, they already got this idea. Yeah, listen carefully. You are there in Delhi. Someone asked, where is Naresh IT? You will get postal address and you can catch. You are already there in Amirpet. Someone asked, where is Naresh IT? Then you will give postal address. No. Because already there in your Amirpet. You will say, go straight, take left. But this go straight, take left work from any location of Amirpet or only from certain position? Only from certain position. If from metro station, you have to say different address. From police station, SRR police station, it will be different address, right? From more supermarket, it will be different address. Relative address will change time to time. Very simple, guys. Relative means you are trying to have relation with destination location with current location. That's why relative. Absolute. Absolute means this is absolute. Use this from where you can, from anywhere you can locate the things. That is called absolute. That is called absolute. Understanding my statement? Yes, guys. Yeah, listen. You got job, you are walking on the streets of your village or town. Village or town. Someone asked, who is this guy? Okay, all people are giving, I don't know, but it is his postal address, it is his address. That means what? They are giving your absolute address. No, everyone is trying to say he is my he is my brother's sister, cousin, nephew. Something they're trying to relate your identity with their identity. Then it is called what? Relative address or relative identity. See, boss, you are jobless, roaming on the roads and doing lot of naughty works in the village or town. So when you are walking on the road, no one try to own them. No one try to own you. Everyone try to give our absolute identity, no relative identity. Yes or no? Na? Uh, you got a job, you are earning money, sending money every month to your parents. Parents are talking very positive about you, and one two buildings are constructed by your parents with your money. Come on, by your parents with your money. Then everyone in the village will start giving relative identity. What identity? Relative identity. I hope you understood this point, guys. Tell me, you want relative identity in society or absolute identity in society? Relative identity or absolute identity? Relative identity. Someone is saying absolute identity. That means no one should recognize, everyone should recognize by postal card. Are you listening or not, a worst fellow? See, some politician is doing well. We'll try to say, I know him. You try to give his identity with respect to your identity. Politician is not doing no, not doing well. Though you know him, you will always try to say, he is a politician, it is his address. You never try to give his identity with respect to your identity. Come on, guys. Fine. I think you got the idea. Okay. So now I will take one small example on it. A folder. Under this we have B folder. Under this B folder, we have C folder. Under this C folder, we are having D folder. Under D folder, we are having file1.txt. File1.txt. We are having file1.txt. Yes, guys. File1.txt. Let's see now. A, B, C, D, file1.txt. Suppose current current location is /A/B directory. Absolute path of file1.txt is file1.txt. Next, relative path of file1 dot txt is dot slash. What slash, guys? Dot slash. Dot indicates current directory here. We are already in the B directory. C slash D slash file1 dot txt. This is a relative path. One is absolute path, other one is relative path. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. Next, current location is E colon slash B colon slash. Under B1, we have one more directory called. Under B, we have one more directory called B1. Along with the C, let us assume B1 directory is there. B1 directory is there. Absolute path remains same, guys. Can you tell me a relative path of that? Please type in the chat box. Under B, B1 directory is there, but I want to give relative path of file1.txt. Everyone, everyone, please give me relative path of b1.txt. Give me. We are in the B1 directory, boss. First, if we come to B, from there we can give the location, right? Okay. Now tell me, if I say dot dot, dot dot indicates parent directory. Shiva, yours is wrong. Okay. We are already there in the B. Dot dot means from B1 we came to B. Then C. Come on, guys. Then D. Then what? File1.txt. Then C, then D, file1.txt. Everyone noticed this, guys? Not dot, it should be dot dot. B1 dot dot means parent directory. B1 parent directory is what? B. We are in the B. Then C. Then D. Then file1.txt. I hope you are understanding. B1 dot dot means we already entered into B. Again, if you say slash B, again it will search for one more B. Mr. Mushiddiq, slash B is not required. Use common sense. B1 dot dot. It comes to B. Already it's there in the B. There is no need of again mentioning B, boss. Dot dot, it means B, we are in the B. Then slash C slash D file1.txt. Okay. Now let's come back. That's actually core Java question, guys. But since popular question I have taken here, nothing to worry. Okay. Project. Clean project. Okay. Now tell me, I want to develop scrollable result set application. Scrollable result set test. Scrollable RS test. Here is my main method. Here is my main method. Here is my main method. Okay, guys. Try. Acha, yesterday I said try, but I didn't give practicals of try with resource, right? Shall I give examples of try with resource today? Okay. Fine, boss. Let's go for try with resource example. Try, tell me. Loading driver class is optional today, and today's example scanner is not required. So connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. JDBC colon arraykhill colon thin colon @localhost colon XE. What is the username, guys? System. What is the password, guys? Manage. Okay. It creates the connection object. Fine, guys. It creates the connection object. Catch SQL exception SC. Yeah. Do I need to close the connection now here? No. Since I opened connection by using try with resource. There is no need of closing connection. Okay, guys. Now I want to create statement object, guys. Now I want to create statement object. If con not equal to null, again I am taking try with resource. Come on, guys. Statement st is equal to con dot create statement. Con dot create statement. Result set type dot takes time to habituate to try with resource, guys, because it looks like clumsy kind of thing, but don't lose your patience. Syntax may be different, concept is same. Conquer underscore read only. Right. Yeah, Nisan. Sir, you are not writing separate catch block for it. No problem. For nested try, outer catch block is sufficient. Nested try exceptions also can be caught by outer catch block. Is that clear, guys? Right. Statement object is ready. Java.sql.statement. If st not equal to null, if st not equal to null, tell me next. Again, try. Result set rs is equal to st dot execute query. If you feel query is fixed, you can type at the top, or you can type here itself. Okay. Get underscore students. I'll try to type here. Private static final string get underscore students. Select SNO, yes name, SADD, average from student. Okay, guys. Students, yes, here right, here not right. Students. Okay, guys. Next, that is RS. Next one. Now I want to display the records top to bottom. Because there's a scrollable result set now, guys. If rs not equal to null, if rs not equal to null, this is a try 3, this is a try 2, this is a try 1. If rs not equal to null, everyone getting my point there or not there? Yes, guys. If rs not equal to null, rs not equal to null, tell me here. Displaying records. Okay, we'll write SOP only. Records top to bottom. Records top to bottom, guys. Tell me. While rs dot next. What dot next here? While rs dot next. Sys out. Rs dot get int of 1 space. Rs dot get string of 2 space. Rs dot get string of 3 space. Rs dot get float of 4. Here is my end of while loop. Here is my what? End of while loop. Okay, guys. Now tell me here. While rs dot next. Get int of 1 space, get string of 2 space, get string of 3 space, get float of 4. Okay. Here we have processed the result set object. Here we have seriously, literally processed the result set object, guys. Okay. After this, what next, guys? After this, what is the next one to focus on? This is to print top to bottom records. No. Yeah, at the end of this while loop, tell me boss, where the cursor will be there? At the end of the first while loop, where the cursor will be there? Bottom BFR, ALR, ALR position. Array, it will come out of the loop only when cursor touch it to ALR position now, guys. Okay, that's why from there we can start bottom to top. Reverse is bottom to top. While rs dot previous, while rs dot previous. Yes, this is rs dot previous, guys. Okay, rs dot, yes, first previous record, then it's previous record like this. Next one, displaying records directly or randomly. 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 Let's see. rs dot absolute of 4 moves the cursor to fourth record. Copy paste displays the fourth record. Simply displays the fourth record. Tell me next one. rs dot absolute of 7. And we don't know how many records are there. Okay, we'll go for -5, -2, -3 we will go for. From the bottom, it will display the third record. But to know which record we are in, rs dot get row of small arrow symbol. Okay, rs dot get row. Here also, let me put the same. rs dot get row. Is that clear, guys? rs dot get row arrow, get int of 1, get string of 2, get string of 3, get float of 4. What is that, guys? Get float of 4. Here is my absolute of 4. Here is my absolute of -3. Absolute of -3. Copy this. rs dot relative of rs dot relative of 2. Fine. rs dot relative of -3. rs dot relative of -3. Okay. So it is just displaying the records, guys. And I should be in a position to display other records also. Sys out first record. We should be in a position to display first records and last records. Okay. Yeah, all get strings also works. rs dot get first. rs dot first. Last record. rs dot last. rs dot last. See, we are asking to move the cursor in whatever the direction we want to handle unknown exception. The catch block of outer catch block, the catch block of outer try can handle the exception raised by outer try, also raised by inner tries. Inner tries. Here is my exception e dot print stack trace. End of the main method, end of the class. End of the main method, end of the class. Is that clear, guys? Displaying records directly or what? Randomly. Records bottom to top, records bottom to top, first record. Here is last record. Here, this one. All this stuff is happening or not happening? Come on, guys. Okay. Scrollable rs test.java. Scrollable rs test.java. But let me keep the database on to check whether cursor is moving really nice or not. It takes time. Meanwhile, let's run the application, guys. Java application. Huh? This much time, huh? What happened? Why it is not hitting the database? Morning also it has hit the database. Why it is taking this much time? Exhausted result set. I think we don't have multiple records here. I think we have empty result set. Empty student table. Huh? Let me check. Now empty student table means we are having problem now. Empty student table. Empty student table. Data array. Unfortunately, empty student table. Rababu. Fine. 101 Raja, Hyderabad, average 78.66. Say refresh, save, okay. So now what I will do is copy this, paste. One not two Vizag Suresh. Okay. 45.77. 345 Naresh. Delhi 67.88. 567 Babu. Babu. Again Vizag 34.5. Oh, I have given comma here. Okay, that's why it is giving error, it seems. Right. Next. 568 Jani Delhi 67 point this. Okay. So total 5 records are there. On safe side, I will take one more record. 789 Karan. Next one Mumbai. Okay, 99.78. Refresh. Okay. Yeah, look at top two bottom bars. 101, 789. 101 is the first record, 789 is the last record. 789 is the first record, 101 is the last record. 789 is the first record, 101 is the last record. First record, this one. 101 Raja, Hyderabad. Last record, 789 Karan. Okay. Displaying records randomly. Absolute of 4. Fourth. Absolute of total, how many records are there? 8 it seems. 4 plus is 6. Absolute of what I called. Let me keep both side by side. Here, what is this? Absolute of 4. Fourth record. Absolute of minus 3. 7 records minus 3 means again fourth record. Relative of 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Sixth record. Relative of minus 3. Already then sixth record. 6 minus 3, third record. We got it? We're able to move the cursor in result set object very nicely or not? Easier, not easier? Okay. Now let me sense to and read only behavior I will give later. Okay. Today we are see no finally block. So much code is reduced. So much code is reduced. Did you notice it? Lot of code is reduced here. So much code is reduced. Lot of code is reduced. Are you noticing it, guys? Fine, boss. Next, suppose I'm creating this one as a normal result set object. No type, no mode is mentioned. I created this one as a normal result set object. No type, no mode. Okay. Sir, while creating statement, we are passing type and mode. Are I using statement only we create result set? Na, that's why. Scrollable rs test.java. See, top to bottom came when it is trying to do bottom to type. Invalid operation for forward only result set. By default, non-scrollable result set also called forward only result sets. Forward only means what? They can move the cursor in result set object only in forward direction. They can move cursor in the result set object only in forward direction. That's the meaning of forward only result set. Getting my point, guys? Okay. No, sir. I don't want to pass them. Yes. If you don't want to pass them, you can pass the numbers also. You can pass the equivalent numbers. Okay. Sense to equivalent value is 1005 because they are internally numbers only, na guys. Read only equivalent value is 1007. Done. Scrollable test, guys. Java application. Yes, top to bottom, bottom to top, first record, last record, and all this stuff. I hope you enjoyed, guys. How to work with a scrollable result set object. You got idea, na? How to work with a scrollable result set object. This is only scroll behavior. Again, still, sense to, insense to, this part is left. Copy this, guys. Okay. I just introduced types of result set, nothing else. Raj, I just introduced types of result set. And I have given summary of JDBC statement object. Just read it. Whatever statement objects we studied, that one. Fine, boss. With this, we got idea about scrollable result set. Yes, lot of things are there to discuss with respect to scrollable result set. I'll give use cases. I will give real-time aspect. A number of things are there. All right. I'll share in the Git. Team commit. Team commit. Scrollable RS review. Yeah, tomorrow we don't have class here. Our next class is on Monday. And today evening we have a session on, okay, Marketo and HTTP unit. Today evening we